Today I am Motorola Moto G60s and I'll show you how fingerprint sensor on the back is working. So it will be some kind of the speed test. So yeah, let's try how it works. So as you can see, when I touch the sensor on the back, I have enough time to move my wrist. I mean to twist my wrist, and you are able to see the lock screen for a half of a second. So it's not the fastest sensor that you can find in the phone, but the good point that it works very smooth. And it recognizes my fingerprint all time. So I think that right now we can say that this sensor is reliable, but it's definitely not a fast sensor. You can find a lot of different smartphones with the sensor, like you touch them and they are just on lock, no delay. But this one is reliable for sure. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.